Welcome students to your new science class. So now it's the time to learn science. So how many of you have gone through the offline video of the topic big leaves? In my offline video, one of the offline video, I have shown you banana leaf and coconut leaf as well as banana plant and coconut tree. So everyone has gone through that video? That offline video everyone has gone through? Yes or no? Kiki dekhoni. Because I told you that next class after PT2 is over, we are going to discuss about that one. So how many of you have not done? কে কে দেখোনি? আচ্ছা যারা যারা দেখোনি তারা কিন্তু এবার দেখে নেবে. Okay, so you will go through that one as soon as this class is over. Okay, so banana leaves and coconut leaf. So these are, whenever we are talking about the big leaves, we just remember these two leaves first, right? So all of you take your copy and pencil, and today we are going to identify big leaves. We are going to draw them and we are going to color them and we are going to write the names of those leaves. Yes, so all of you ready with your pencil, copy and eraser? So the first one, let us write down the topic big leaves. And this is from the chapter Our Plants. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about that. I told you in that video that banana plant is the biggest herb on the earth and it is having a big leaf. Its leaves can be 2 to 3 meters small. Baby leaves are 2 to 3 meter long, whereas the big totally mature leaf is at least 2 to 3 feet long. Okay, so it's too long. So here we will draw, we cannot draw such a big leaf, so we are going to draw it that it seems like a big leaf, right? Very good Nandini, very good. So let us go. Now we will draw this one. So first of all, to draw banana leaf, what you will do? You will first draw this part. Okay, like this, right? Then after, just leave little bit space from here and you make a box like this. Again little bit, banana leaves are usually torn. Okay, I'm just rubbing the rub the heading little bit. Let me write it over here. Science subject, so that I can draw for all of you properly. So here is little bit twist will be there, just like this, up, down, up, down, up, down, and here we will make a curve, and again like this, and here we will close it. Okay, so like this we will make our banana leaf and we will give some threads like this. So this is our banana leaf, and what we will write? We will write over here the name of the leaf, banana leaf, because it is only one, so we are writing leaf, L-E-A-F. If I would have drawn two, then I would have written leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S. Okay, now let us draw next one, and that is coconut leaf. So how we will draw the coconut leaf? In the same manner, we will first draw like this. The lower portion will be little bit thick, and as you will go in front, it should be thin. Okay, it should be thin like this. One stick, you will draw one stick. Okay, all of you please put on your cameras only camera, so that I can see that each and every student is drawing in their copy. Only camera. Okay, now what you will do, you will just do like this. Okay, so this is the way how you can draw coconut leaf. It's coconut leaf. With your pencil you will just make marking like this, but it should be in this curved manner. Okay, come on. So here is the one which you will draw. It's coconut leaf we are drawing, but this middle portion will be blank. Okay, I would request Nandini's guardian to please let Nandini draw the picture, because in her science examination she will draw the picture. So Nandini, you draw it, beta. Very good, very good, very good. And here I can see Orgho is also drawing, Ritika is also drawing. Very good, beta. So here we are drawing our banana leaf and coconut leaf. So now we will write coconut leaf. Okay, now we will write the name. Coconut leaf. So these are the examples of very big leaves. These are the examples of very big leaves. Orgho Mondol, beta, concentrate over here. Come on, complete it, beta. Very good. Come on, come on. You are a very good boy. Come on, everyone. Very nice. Very nice, Inakshi. So we will draw banana leaf and we will draw coconut leaf. Okay, everyone, come on, do it. Okay, very nice. Come on, come on, come on. Let me see who can draw fast and send the picture to me. You will color it also. Okay, you will color it also. So today the topic is draw and color. Today you will draw the leaf, that is banana leaf, and you will color the leaf, that is banana and coconut both. Very good. I can see Inakshi is coloring her leaf. And Shomrik Roy Chaudhary, come on, beta. Come on, come on. You are a very good boy. Come on, do it. Yes, Arju is coloring his picture. Very good. So in this way we will draw our very big leaves, that is banana leaf and coconut leaf. Okay, very good. So all of you just very nicely complete these two drawings and color them, label them, and in the next class tomorrow maybe. Okay, already Arjo has sent the picture. So let me see. Very good, Arjo. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So let us see who is the next one to send me the picture after finishing the activity. Anyone more? Okay, Ritika, please send me the image, beta. Ritika, please send me the image. Here is Nandini's picture. Very good, Nandini. Very good. Excellent. Come on. Next, I can see one more. That is Orghomondol. Orghomondol, excellent. Beta, just coconut leaf, you have to just draw this spines little bit more. Okay. Orgho, just do it little bit more. Anyone? Yes, Ritika. Very good, Ritika. Ritika, this coconut, this spines will be little bit more wider. It will be long. Okay, Ritika? Come on. Rest, everything is very fine. Very good. Anyone more? Yes, Inakshi. Very good, Inakshi. Your coconut banana leaf is very nice, and coconut leaf same. Students, please draw these lines little bit wider. Okay, it should be little bit long and wide. Okay, it should have this much space as I have drawn on the board. This will be little bit longer and this will be little bit shorter. ওপর দিকটা ছোট হয়ে যাবে, নিচের দিকটা কিন্তু চওড়া থাকবে, দেখো। ওকে, সো ড্র ইট লাইক দ্যাট। কাম অন। Okay, very good. So anyone more wants to send the image, has completed? And those who have not completed, no problem, complete it, and then after you send me your image, I will check it. Okay, so bye bye students.